A heavily guarded corner of the Hertfordshire countryside was the scene for a test of strength today. On one side, protected by high security fencing, a plot of genetically modified wheat. On the other, campaigners opposed to genetic science who want the plants destroyed. I was among a small group of journalists allowed in. The wheat being grown here is part of an experiment, crop research inside a fortress. What they're doing here is trying to develop a plant that repels pests, in this case aphids, without having to spray insecticide. And they're doing that by inserting a gene into the wheat so that it gives off a warning smell that convinces the aphids they're under attack. They know it works in the lab, now they're seeing if it works out in the open. This video shows how the aphids are repelled. This is genetic technology in action. The next step, trying it in the open.
Now, if that works, then it does open the whole question of can we substitute normal insecticides with a gene, and if that's the case, then obviously there will be interest worldwide in this, not only in wheat but in lots of other crops as well.
Then came the big moment. The campaigners, about 200 of them, advanced to the police line. But why are you worried about it?
Because I'm worried about cross-contamination issues, because I don't see that GM crops and non-GM crops are able to coexist in agriculture due to seeing what's happened in the US and Canada.
The campaigners failed to get through. They may try again, but in the meantime, the researchers will try to convince the public that the science is safe and worthwhile. The GM wheat survived today, but the battle isn't over. David Shuckman, BBC News at Rothamsted in Hertfordshire.